Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create URL parameters and what they are useful for. So many people don't know about it and they just run ads for themselves in Facebook or in Google. So the URL parameters really help you understand your traffic and your leads, where they are coming from, which ad is performing really good, which campaign is performing good, or which ad set is working for your ad. So it's not like you're getting leads from a campaign, but you don't know which ad set is working really good. Maybe you have 3 ad sets running and one ad set is giving good leads. The 2 different ad sets is giving you normal leads, but in that ad set you have different ads working. So if you don't running the dynamic, if you're not running the dynamic campaign, you will not know which ad is working good for you and from which ad the lead came into your CRM. So what are the URL parameters? When you are running ads in your campaign, what happens when anyone click on your ad? It will take them to your website or any destination you have set up. So when they click on it, it will take them to the website. And what Facebook does, it embeds the URL parameters in your URL. So here you can see that when I click on their ad, it just take me to their website. So there's no URL parameters added here. So what it does, when they check their analytics, they will not know that from which ad I came to their website. So it will be useless for them and they're not collecting a good data from their ad campaign to retarget. So what we need to do to fix this, I will show you how the URL changes when you put the correct URL parameters in your Facebook ad. So before going into the video, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been helping out businesses and small owners with their Facebook campaigns and their high level accounts and optimizing their ads and providing them good leads. I would love to help you out too. If you want, you can book a call with me. I will drop a link in this video description. So what we need to do, we are in our ad manager and on your ad set and your ad level, we don't need to go into campaign or we don't need to change anything in our ad set level. We need to go into our ad level. So here, when you're in your ad level, you need to come down here and add your website URL. So let's put an example website URL here. Right now, if we preview the website URL, it will take us to the website. So here you can see that Facebook only collects the Facebook CID here, and which is not really useful for us. But what we need to do, we need to put all the URL parameters which we want in to be integrated in our URL. So what we need to do, just scroll down to your ad level here. At the bottom, you will see URL parameter and build a URL. So what we'll do, we'll click on build a URL. And in the first section here, it is for the campaign source. So where your campaign is, where your source is. So means that where your lead is coming from in your campaign, your Facebook, your Instagram, or any source you have selected. So we'll select the site source name here. So it will give us the source that the lead came from Facebook or Instagram. So these two will know. For the campaign medium, here we'll select the placement. So it will tell us from Facebook, it came from the site story or from the main ad or from the site ads. It will tell us about that. And from the Instagram, it will also tell us that if the lead came from the Instagram reels or stories. So this is a really important data for us to collect. So we'll know that, okay, the ad is good. The leads are coming from this ad set, but from Facebook or from Instagram. We'll know that. Once we know that, if we are getting more leads from Instagram, we'll stop the Facebook placement from our ads and will not waste money on Facebook. We'll just increase the budget on Instagram placements. So the third option is campaign name. It's simple. We just choose the campaign name here. It will tell us from which campaign it came from. And in the campaign content here, I will choose ad name. So it will tell me from which ad it came from. And you can add more parameters here, like if you are going to know, if you want to know about the ad set, you can just click ad set here. You can just type ad set here and choose the ad set value from here. We'll see here. Okay, so now we have like almost added most of the parameters here. If you want, you can add more parameters here to filter your lead. So for example, if we are running a different language ad here, we can just choose any language here. So if we are running any other languages, we can choose from here. We can just type it here. It will embed in our URL parameters. After this, you just need to click apply, and the whole UTM parameters, they are integrated into your ad. So now when we click to see our URL, so now when we publish our campaign, the URL parameter will be embedded with our ads. And when you see your URL, then it will give you the whole UTM parameters in your URL. Let me show you an example in the live campaign. Okay guys, so this is from the live ad, and now you can see that the UTM parameters have been integrated in the URL. And let me show you from the campaign. So from this campaign which we were creating before, in this ad, what we need to do after adding your URL parameters here, you can go up to your website URL, and you can also add URL parameters here also. The same setup, once you do that, it will show you the exact preview of your URL, and you can just click on preview URL and it will show you the same UTM parameter source from your ad and what will be included in your URL. So all these UTM sources, you can see the same exact parameters we have added there: the source name, the medium, the placement, the campaign name, and if you can go from to the end, you can see that we have added the language, and so it will collect all the important data from the visitor, and so you can use them later on in your campaigns to create custom audience, lookalikes, or to target them specifically from the placements. So it will really help you understand your campaigns and your traffic to create the best optimized campaign which will give you quality leads. I hope this video helped you understand the whole user journey of your campaign. I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.